What's up, guys? This is covered chocolate eggs, and it is a very pokey and stretchy slime, and it comes with these adorable chocolate eggs that I designed. They are clay, of course, not edible. It is very pokey and stretchy, and once you squish it, it becomes this very fluffy and soft butter slime that everybody wants. Some pokes and bubble pops. It is very stretchy, as I said again. Very holdable and thick, and I really recommend this slime. It'll be on my website soon.